In HitFilm, when you add in effects, you can add in more than one effects as well, and even go around and turn their visibility on or off as you wish. So to do that, you need to go around under the effects tab right here, and once you go around over here, you can see that there are a lot of effects that you can actually go around and add in onto this particular video clip right here. For example, if I were to go around and go to let's say for example generate right here, then what you can do is you can go around and bring in different things, like let's say for example grid right here, and there is like let's say grid that you can actually go around and generate, and you can work around with the blend right here. So let's just go around and add it right here, just like this. So this is what you have. As you can see, there's this grid effect that you go around and add in over here, just like this. So you can go around and turn this effect on or off as you like, and it stays under effect, as you can see right here. Let's just go around under effects and bring in something else as well. So I'm just going to go around and go to stylize, and then let's just go around and bring in fine edges over here. So this is another effect that has been added in, so you can go around and go around onto fine edges and invert it and so forth right here. So you can see that there are two effects over here. Now let me just go around under effects as well, and then let's just go around under maybe like let's say warp right here, and there are different things like the space curl, as you can see right here. So there's like a curl over here for the base. You can go around and see how this actually looks. You can go around and curl out the base right here as I click and drag this out right here, which is another effect. As you can see right here, you can change around the curl radius, as you can see right here, and there's like mirror rear and so forth, as you can see right here. So that is what you can do, as you can see right here. So mirror rear is here. You can turn this off to make it look like a page, and this is a video, as you can see right here. This is the effect that you have. So there are multiple effects right here, and what you can do with them is you can go around and turn some effect on and off by clicking on this check mark as you wish, as you can see right here. You can click on it right here to enable page curl. You can go around, click on it to go around and click on fine edges, as you can see, and same goes with the grid as well, just like this. So you can go around onto any one of the effects as you like, and then go around and hit the delete key to delete it out as well. And that is how you can remove effects as well. So you can see that you can enable out the effects right here, or you can disable out the effects by clicking on the checkmark button right here, just like this. And there's this plus button over here, which also allows you to go around and search for different effects right from over here as well. So you can go around onto distort right here, and let's say for example bring in magnify, and this is what you have, as you can see. So this is magnify, and you can go around and bring this out right here, which is another effect. So you can go around and disable it and enable it as you like from over here as well. So that is how you can go around and add in multiple effects, work around with effects visibility, and even remove out effects that you don't want inside of HitFilm. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.